guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po, dahil kagaya na sinabi ko nga po sa inyo, nung isang taon ay ako'y naglinis na sa pamamagitan ng suka at daon ng laurel sa aming rep. Ngayon ay sinuwerte ako nitong 2019. Kung kaya kami po ay bibili na ng rep dahil hindi na magkasya ang laman ng aming mga pinamimili sa aming rep. At baka ito'y mapanis pa. Kaya kumbaga dahil sa sobrang pagtitipid ko ay mapipilitan talaga ako na bumili ng malaking rep na bibilin po namin ay Tudor. Kaya kumbaga samahan niyo po kami sa aming pamimili ng refrigerator dahil nga po sa paglilinis ng suka at daon ng laurel sa loob ng aming rep nung isang taon ay lalo-lalo na ngayon na talaga namang siksik, liglig at umaapaw na biyaya ang pinagkaloob sa amin sa pamamagitan lamang ng daon ng laurel at ganoon din po ang suka. Ngayon, i-share ko po sa inyo kung ano ang aming bibilin at kung ano mga ilalaman po namin dito. Keep on watching!
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head said, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day.
Ito nga po, nakalagay lamang siya sa isang lalagyan dito, sa isang upuan.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head said, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. Don't need a pot to go around the woods or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day.
Ito po yung aming cabinet. At ayan.
Slept in 'cause I don't care and didn't make the bed.
Malaki na ang chance na
Sip coffee on my couch. What can I do instead? No work, it's only fun 'cause it's all okay. 'Cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. My lucky day. Don't need a pot to go around this woods or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. Don't need a pot to go around this woods or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. Don't need a pot to go around this woods or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing